What's going on, man?
How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, I was working at Texas Roadhouse in Port Orange, and I was just at Chase.
Okay. Do me a favor, go ahead and step on out for me. Step on out for me. Signal 0. Go ahead and turn around for me.
Yes, sir. Get your bro.
He's in the glove box.
What do I want to do for?
You're just being detained, okay?
For what?
There's a gun in the glove box. Don't reach for it. Yeah. Do you have anything on? Any weapons or anything on you?
No, sir.
No? Okay.
Have I been showing you?
Yes.
Okay. So when I ask you,
Because I can.
I'm just going to pat you down, okay?
I'm showing you the registration. I didn't.
Yeah, there's a signal 0 in the glove box. He's being super chill, so
Yeah, I appreciate you being chill, right? Yes, sir. I ain't wanna have her go through all that. I got you. But listen, it's like, no disrespect. That was some really dumb shit. You reached in there, bro. This helps people get hurt. Right, Ronnie. You too smart. Yeah, it was dumb, but I got you. This next time, we're gonna find it anyway. Right. Don't reach for your gun. People get shot. I don't want to shoot anybody. My partner doesn't want to shoot anybody. We don't want to get shot. You're conducting yourself well. I'm gonna keep treating you like a gentleman. All right. I gotta search you so nothing ends up in the back of the car. Nah, you alright. Did we miss anything? Nah, you can search anything. Any narcotics? Okay. You know how it is. Like even if you got a joint, you get things up in there.
just give me everything.
Felony, right? I appreciate that. I'm not trying. You're not shooting me. Of course not. None of us.
We don't want to shoot you, man.
Man. But I don't want her to go through all that. That's why I say it's mine. Alright, respect.
He said he bought it off the street.
Right side, right on. Hit the button. There we go.
You said what?
He said he bought it off the street.
I believe him.
One Delta 52 Central. Copy a serial number on a firearm.
I don't know how this car works.
Take it out. And there's the other baggies that I saw. Or the one baggie I thought was. Alright. There's something in here too.
That's the first thing we touched. We didn't go here. Looks like another bag.
Yeah, alright.
What?
Hit it.
Ooh, fun.
Good stop, buddy.
It was because I was with you, dude. First stop.